Hey guys, and welcome to the first day of Stitchmas. Let's get into it. OMG, I have been waiting so long to open this. Yesterday, I was thinking about well, I'll just take the plastic wrap off. This way I'm ready to go tomorrow. Man, I'm telling you, too tempting. I left it on there. Now, it's going to take me a second. I'm going to struggle through this to get the plastic off. But I'm so excited about this. I mean, it says it's the ultimate countdown. Now, I will say I am a little nervous that it's going to be like a bunch of knitting stuff because I only see knitting needles on here. I haven't seen a crochet hook. So that makes me worry a little bit. But it should be okay. Because, I mean, knitters, crocheters use a lot of the same stuff. Ooh, this box. I'm telling you, this box is kind of heavy. So there's got to be some pretty good stuff in there, right? All right, here we go. Let me lift the lid on this. Okay. You know what? I think we should go down to the table. All right, let's get into it. I'm pretty excited. So. Oh man, this is cool. I don't know if you can see all that. In the top part here, your Stitchmas box is here. All right. Okay, it says, we're honored to share this carefully created collection of gifts with you. All items were designed and produced exclusively for the 2022 limited edition 12 Days of Stitchmas, which means you won't find them anywhere else in the store. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of cool it's an exclusive versus like stuff that they just randomly grabbed from the store. It says, open one gift a day. There are 12 days of gifts in total for you to open throughout the Christmas season. Each package is labeled with a number. That's how you know what order to open them in. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your box. Prepare to spend some quality time with your day one. There's definitely some assembly required. Day 3's gift will keep on giving. Days 3 will keep on giving if you pair it with the items from day 5 and 8. These from 7 and day 11 are a match made in mistletoe heaven. You may want to use them together. Merriest of Christmases to you. We wish you all the joy, all the wonder, and all the yarn. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cute. Oh, so you can put like a little sign in later. I'm not hoarding yarn, I'm storing up for winter. That's so cute because you could frame it and like hang it up in your craft room. All right, well this says that it sounds like we're supposed to start on day 1. I thought we'd be counting down because I mean the box does say somewhere on here. I thought it was a countdown to Christmas. It says preparing to spend some quality time with day 1. There's definitely some assembly required. Day 3 gifts will keep on giving if you pair it with day 5 and 8. The goodies from day 7 and 11 are a match made in mistletoe heaven. So does that mean I'm supposed to start it from 12? I'm not supposed to start from 12, I'm supposed to start from 1? Ooh. I don't know about this. Well, and it is set up so you grab out 1 first. So I can see 1, I can see 3, I can see 12, and 4. Huh. Well, I don't know which way I want to go with it. All right, so I had my husband look it up without telling me, and he confirmed that yes, day 1 is where you're supposed to start, which that's what it sounds like you're supposed to start on, but at the same time, it does say countdown. So countdown to me would be like 12, 11, 10, blah, blah, blah. But sounds like we're starting with 1. We're going to count the last 12 days of Christmas. So let's put that aside, and here we go with number 1. Oh, these. Okay. Oh, that's cool. All right. right, I'll have to see what else is in this box, or this bag, I mean. See what else is in this bag. Oh, we've got some yarn, okay. Some like lighter gray, some darker gray, some white, beige, brown. And, all right, looks like that's it. Joy to the world. Oh, it's a manger scene. Okay. It says Nativity, easy level. Includes yarn for Mary, Joseph, Jesus, and an angel. Oh, that's cool. So you can make everybody. Experience the 12 Days of Stitchmas. All right, well, let's open up this pattern a little bit. I'm not going to show you everything, because I want you, if you're interested, to go out and get your own, of course. But I am wanting to know. Oop. Oh, I thought it was a little book. They are not attached. It's all individual pieces. Well, that's a little bit of a surprise. Oh, wow. Okay. It looks like you could make an entire manger scene. It's not just Mary and Joseph, baby Jesus, and the angel. You've got sheep. You've got shepherd. You've got the three wise men. Okay. Oh, golly. All right. Well, this is cool. It's everything you could need. Use your own yarn stash to complete the scene by adding Wiseman, shepherd, sheep, tree, and a star. Okay, tree, the star, the Wiseman over here, the shepherd, and the little sheep. That's very cool. Now, I will say I wish this was in a book form so that nothing gets lost, but still very cool. All right, so we've got Jesus in the manger, angel, Joseph, Mary, the palm tree, the sheep, the shepherd, the star, and the wise men. And these are definitely crocheted. You know, I was just thinking if I would have been a knitter buying this, because it does have knitting needles on the box, I think I would be a little upset there wasn't a knitting pattern. But you never know what you're going to get. I mean, you take that risk when you buy a mystery box, I guess. Yeah, I do wish that this was like a little book, like these were just attached, so I didn't lose any of them. But very cool, and this is something I will definitely make once I'm healed up. So I'm going to put this back into the plastic for now. Now I'm going to keep everything together. So we're going to put everything back in the bag here. I like that it came with the manger there. And then I think we should take a little peek at the yarn, since I'm not going to be able to start this project for a little while with my injury. I'm not going to like hardcore open it, but I do want to just feel it. It's kind of what, you know, I will say it feels like it's a little better quality than some of, I will say it feels like a little better quality than some of the other crochet kits I've reviewed. But it's still kind of that, you know it's not the most expensive yarn. But the colors are beautiful, I think. I'll definitely have to make a future video with that. So that completes our first day of Stitchmas with our box. Now, let's talk about building your own project bag. All right, let's talk about yarn bags. The first one I ever owned when I first started learning to crochet was a yarn drum. I got mine at Joann's. I'm not sure anywhere else that carries them. But this I like because if there's nothing in it, you can collapse it down to pretty small. It's got a pocket on the front here. And it's got a little bag for all your hooks. This one has served me well because it's got this long strap that can be worn crossbody or just over your shoulder. It's got the handle here. And it's got holes in the top here so that you don't even have to take your yarn out. Your yarn can stay in your yarn drum the entire time and you can just work along. That's one of my favorite ones for sure because it's the first type I had and I think that's great for a beginner. Now, the one I use the most currently would be this. Now this I found at a thrift store. It was a 31 caddy, and I just happened to find it. And it's nice because it's got the pockets on the side. I've got a flashlight. My hooks sit very nicely in here. They don't easily fall out. And then the inside, I can put my yarn on one side, my project on the other. And in the coming days, you'll learn more about my box. That is like my current one that's my current one that's like my favorite that I'm constantly using, carrying around the house. And I don't ever take it on the go, but it's perfect for around the house for smaller projects. Now, if I'm on the go, I really like this. Now, I'm not sure if this is a diaper bag. That's what I think it probably actually is supposed to be. I found this also at a thrift store. But this has like magnetic pockets, so it closes up and it holds stuff tight. It's got a little holder here, which is good for like your small, like your fold up scissors, or you could put other little like notions in there. I like that it has a spot for my water bottle, and it's got quite a few like pockets. I think a good project bag for on the go has lots of pockets so that you can keep your things separate and easily find them. Once again, my box. This yarn tote is great for blankets and bigger items. It's one of my favorites. Now, I was at Hobby Lobby one day, and this happened to be on clearance, and it's become one of my favorites because I can take this a lot of places. This big old bag has lots of pockets, zips closed, and right here, it's got a handle so it could be a roll around bag, which I really like. When I've gone and visited my parents in Michigan, this is definitely one of my favorites to take because I can take lots of projects, lots of stuff. And the nice thing is too, on the inside, since it's so big, the inside also has these big pockets. Has big pockets here on the inside too, so that my hook can go in there, or my notions box. I think this is actually supposed to be for scrapbooking, but it works awesome for crochet projects. Like if you're on the go, I could see like if you went to like a conference, or if you're going on a vacation, you're gonna be gone, or you want to take a few things with you, not just one project. Like I said, blankets, like bigger items like that, go nicely in this. This one also came with this bag here. It's like a little like soft briefcase type. This Stitchmas, we're going to build this into my go-to bag when I walk out the door and I'm on the go. Because when you're on the go, you don't want to forget anything. So, day one is our bag. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for day 2 of our Stitchmas from Hobby Lobby, and see what we're going to add to our crochet bag to make it the ultimate bag. But until tomorrow, in the comments, leave your predictions in the comments down below as to what you think I'll be adding first to our bag tomorrow. Until then, take care.